Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Today, the kind I will show you a video. Now, remember to subscribe it. Now, share. Now, like it. Now, me a notification bell no. Say the video be better on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Grace, you say, be a Ghana Koose. Even when it tasty and it tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. Udu beans begu wadi mu. Udi nso ede aka ho. We just wa made achi, anase we just wo ama na ye mre. Se de wo yi hu a enye den. Wi anu we yi hu ni nyina. Yi hu we se ebe ye. Wo de gu ade obe blend wo na blender. Wo de amako eni je na wetwitwa aka ho. Udi nso kakra ye de aka ho. Na wa blend ni nyina together by nso de kakra bi na begum. Wa blend na kwhwe egu ubo mu. What the 1 egg aka ho. Salt to taste aka ho. Now what electric mixture would the beat but would be bit where you so wooden lado eddy a beat. We be boa ememu ayemre. What the chop onion and spring onion egumu. One mixing that together. We are not quite medium hot oil. Oh, and what dane no, said the enche. Let it now so be bimpe. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. If my trust did kind I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now share. Now like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be better on Sabeka. Aha no Akara na aye ready. Aye ready. No ye fi anwani mu. Na the good tissue paper so ansa na wa serve. Wo awoza kokwa obetimi da aka ho edi. Me ye na me taste yen. It tastes really nice. Now this our Koose recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.